Business users need fast, secure insights from dashboards and apps without extra BI licenses, technical hurdles, or workspace confusion. Databricks One Consumer Access delivers that business value at scale with clean, focused views for smarter decisions. With intuitive access to AI BI dashboards, Genie AI Assistant, and apps. No technical complexity required. Consumer Access powers it as the secure entitlement for license-free sharing through Unity Catalog governance, hiding workspace clutter for laser-focused insights. Today, we're breaking down this setup process so you can enable it for your business. This is the environment that developers live in. Powerful but overwhelming for business users who just need insights. Here's what business users actually see. No catalogs, no pipelines, no jargon, just their dashboards and apps, ready to use. This matters because it drives real adoption. Execs and analysts engage with your lakehouse data instead of getting lost or frustrated. No more support tickets asking, "Where's my dashboard?" So let's go ahead and set this up next. You'll want to start by creating a security group with your users needing Databricks One Consumer Access that can then be granted permissions in Databricks. This promotes proper group-based administration and management. So in Azure, for example, I'd create an Entra security group for consumer access. Once you have your group, you'd head over to the Databricks workspace that you need to enable Databricks One Consumer Access on and navigate to Settings, Identity, and Access, and add your group containing the members that will need this consumer entitlement. Here's another step you'll need to run under the Advanced section. By default, all users join the System Users group with authoring entitlements, including Workspace Access and Databricks SQL Access, exposing the full technical workspace. This public preview feature flips new users to consumer access by default through smart group cloning. Existing users keep their full authoring rights uninterrupted. It duplicates the users group for current team members with all entitlements intact, then sets the default user group to consumers only, so new hires land straight in the clean Databricks One experience, adhering to the principle of least privilege until they're explicitly granted SQL or workspace access. Here's the flow. Users request access via tickets. IT adds them to our Databricks One Consumer Security group. SCIM syncs it over. The user lands in both users and consumer groups, both having just the Consumer One entitlements, so they get the clean Databricks One view. Developers follow a different approval path and stay in elevated groups for full access. Clean separation, zero friction. When we navigate back to the System Users group, notice that they only have the consumer entitlement. The power users have workspace and SQL access, and the Databricks One Consumers security group only has consumer access. Here's what it looks like for users. Clean Databricks One homepage with just their dashboards, apps, and Genie spaces. No notebooks or pipelines to confuse them. The business value? Analysts adopt faster. Execs get insights without IT tickets. Zero BI license sprawl. That's Databricks One Consumer Access end-to-end. Enable it for your team and watch adoption soar. If you've enjoyed this breakdown, please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.